Scott marveled, shaking his head from side to side. It was like watching dominoes fall and knowing how it will all end, and yet American senior officials were in denial. And Nezam was stuck in the middle. Scott texted Nezam, "Are you safe? Situation getting really bad, but I'm safe for now. Stay strong, old friend." "Thank you, sir." Stay strong, old friend? What a lame-ass thing to say to him. It took almost 2 hours for him to fall asleep as he fought off images of the Taliban doing to Nezam what they had done to Major Azimi. As Florida sunlight pierced the window blinds the next morning, Scott glanced at his phone and breathed a sigh of relief. The text was from Nezam. "Good morning, brother." At least he had survived another night.